Carolyn and Robbie, Laura Johnson tells me that she is not surprised at all by the findings of the Oakland County Medical Examiner, and right now she's just hoping and looking forward to putting this whole ordeal behind her.
I knew it all along. It just proved what I had been saying. I knew it. He was a very sick man.
Laura Johnson is feeling vindicated now that the Oakland County Medical Examiner has determined her husband Lloyd's death was not murder, but an accident related to an old wound from a boating mishap years ago. That accident caused a penetrating injury to his lower back. Laura says she was instructed by her husband's doctors on how to help care for the wound.
He had been festering in his body for 30 years. So I did my best to keep him alive, and I think I did a great job. As far as the wound care, they said that part looked excellent. I was instructed on what to do, and I did exactly what I was told to do. I never deviated.
The medical examiner says there were other contributing factors to Lloyd Johnson's death, including morbid obesity, diabetes, hypertensive cardiovascular disease, and liver cirrhosis. On Friday, Laura Johnson was charged with second-degree murder and the death of her husband. She was also charged with practicing medicine without a license. But yesterday, she was released on a personal bond after prosecutors said they weren't sure if the forensic evidence would support the charges beyond a reasonable doubt. So does Johnson feel like the prosecutor rushed to judgment?
I really don't want to say bad about other people, to be honest with you, but some people said things that were just completely off the wall, and their statements are now, if you look at them, they're totally retracting them and taking them back. So that's where it all starts.
Despite days in jail, not being able to see her two kids or attend her husband's funeral, Laura Johnson says she holds no anger in her heart.
Anger's not going to get me anywhere. I have to use my brains and use self-control and do things the way the law says to do them, and do it that way, because that's the only way I can conquer.
We're outside Laura Johnson's home here in Farmington Hills. I did speak with the Oakland County prosecutor, Jessica Cooper, just a short time ago, and she tells me that she has not yet received the autopsy findings. She does not believe that the toxicology reports are in yet. I asked her if the charges would be dropped, amended in any way. She said she did not want to comment on that, but Laura Johnson does have a hearing tomorrow. She says go to that hearing, and then you will know what the prosecutor's office will do next. Reporting live in Farmington Hills, Anu Prakash, Channel 7 Action News.